Antarctica, land of animals, ice and auroras, created by Conargo Public School.
Hiding at the bottom of the globe, Antarctic ice expanding in the dark shadow of winter.
Cold ice and air makes it hard to survive.
Ice floes move slowly on the freezing water, forming fragile ice like an unmade puzzle. The iceberg calves a big splash like a group of walruses landing in the water at the same time. The king penguins walked handsomely and bravely like soldiers in the navy.
Glaciers, creeks, cracks and calves. Emperor penguins slip and slide, taken by surprise, falling like autumn leaves into the water.
The iceberg's hummock towers above the water, a giant icy cork, its bummock hidden from view.
The orca splashes like a carving iceberg. Schools of neon fish move swiftly away from harm. Orcas cruise the dark icy water like submarines. The matriarch developing strategies, working together. The penguin is scared as the lion-like orca passes by.
Little seal, feeling sad and worried. Orcas spy hopping, looking for food. Seal concerned, he's about to be lunch.
Seal swims side to side as fast as a cheetah while being chased by orcas. Killer whale attacks the seal like a big cod with cheese. Cold seals crying for Mum to come back with the food. Mum, Mum, they cried. Seal silently sits, watching the sun slowly set. Chinstrap penguins climb up the iceberg like hikers hiking up hills. The hungry petrel is looking for lunch, while the angry fish is as nervous as a guinea pig. 7 sleek and slimy squids swim silently, snatching up a feed. She orders, starishly snatch 7 sleek, slimy and shiny fish. The violet and lime patterns move across the sky like galloping horses.
Even though it's icy cold, it is one of the world's greatest beauties, a land full of diversity and the fluorescent aurora australis.